वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का चैप्टर नंबर 4 सोशल साइंस गुजरात बोर्ड, इसके सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। तो मुगल एम्पायर एस्टेब्लिशमेंट एंड एक्सटेंशन, तो पेज नंबर 38, इसमें क्वेश्चन 1 है, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव ऑप्शंस फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो each questions and write it corresponding letter in the provided against the questions. First question है, in which year did Babur attack in India? The option is B, answer 1526 CE. Question 2, point 2, who established the Mughal dynasty in India? C, answer Babur. Third, who ascended the throne of Delhi after the death of Babur? The answer is A, Humayun. Fourth, who was born at the place of the king of Amarkot? The answer is B, Akbar. Fifth, which of the following is not a ruler of the Mughal dynasty? The answer is D, Sher Shah. Sixth, whom did Akbar defeat under the guidance of Bairam Khan? The answer is A, Sher Shah. 7, which name did Prince Salim adopt when he ascended the throne after the death of Akbar? The answer is A, Jahangir. 8, the ruler of which Rajput dynasty fought many battles with Akbar? The answer is A, Sisodia. 9, which tax was not levied during the reign of Akbar? The answer is B, Pilgrim. 10th, which of the following book was written by Abdul Fazl? The answer is C, Akbarnama. 11, which of the following rulers set up a mint house to mint silver coin uniform in weight? The answer is C, Sher Shah. 12th, where did historic battle between the armies of Akbar and Rana Pratap take place? The answer is A, Haldigati. Next, 13th question, where did Akbar build the prayer hall? The answer is B, Fatehpur Sikri. Question 2, filling the blanks with proper words or number in the following statement. First, Babur attacked Delhi in 1526 CE. Second, Babur of the Mughal dynasty in India. Third, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi, in the first battle of Panipat. Page number 39. 4 point, Babur defeated the brave ruler of Chittor Rana Sanga at dash. Answer is Kanwa. Dash ascended on the throne of Delhi after Babur? The answer is Humayun. 6, Humayun had to struggle constantly against his brother? The answer is Kamran. 7, Akbar was born at the palace of the king of Amarkot. 8, Sher Shah is well known as a reformer in history. 9, Bairam Khan was a faithful minister of Humayun. 10th, Bairam Khan was the guardian of Akbar and took care of administration on his behalf. 11, Dash set up his rule in Delhi when Akbar was in Punjab? The answer is Hemu. 12, Akbar defeated Dash in the second battle of Panipat under the guidance of Bairam Khan? The answer is Hemu. 13, Akbar won Chittor and Ranthambore is in the battle with Dash, Maharana Pratap? The answer is Maharana Pratap. 14, Prince Salim adopted the name Dash and ascended the throne after Akbar? The answer is Jahangir. 15, Akbar maintained good relation and won the confidence of the Dash rulers? The answer is Rajput. 16, system was implemented during the Mughal period? The answer is Subedari. 17, Dash was the most tolerant and benevolent king among the Mughal ruler? The answer is Akbari. The answer is Akbar. 18th, Akbar regularly attended the religious meet in the prayer hall at Fatehpur Sikri on every Friday. 19, Sher Shah prepared the revenue system with the help of dash Todarmal. The answer is Todarmal. 20. Among the many battles fought between Mewar and Delhi, the battle of dash is considered to be the most important battle. The answer is Haldigati. 21. The name of Maharana Pratap's horse was. The answer is Chetak. Horse was dash. The answer is Chetak. 22. Dash gave financial help to Maharana Pratap. Bhamsha. The answer is Bhamsha. Question 3. Put a tick marks, यानी ये ट्रू फॉल्स है. इसमें फर्स्ट है बाबर डाइड ऑन द बैटलफील्ड इन द 1530 CE. The answer is false. Page number 40. Second, Babur ascended the throne after Humayun. The answer is false. Third, Sher Shah had defeated Humayun twice. The answer is true. Fourth, Akbar was only 13 years old when his father Humayun passed away. The answer is true. Prince Salim adopted the name Jahangir. The answer is true. Akbar developed friendly relations with Maharana Pratap. The answer is false. Akbar organized religious meet in the prayer hall on every Tuesday. The answer is false. Akbar followed the revenue collection method of Sher Shah. The answer is true. Question 4. Match the part correctly. Section A, B. First, Red Fort. The answer is 4 Delhi. Second, founder of the Mughal dynasty in India. The answer is third, Babur. Born at palace of the king of Amarkot. The answer is fifth, Akbar. Fourth, Afghan Sardar. The answer is 1, Sher Shah. Second section A, B. Ajwer in Akbar's court. The answer is third, Birbal. Second, developed new land revenue system. The answer is fifth, Todarmal. Third, guardian of Akbar. The answer is first, Bairam Khan. Fourth, brave ruler of Mewar. The answer is 2, Rana Pratap. Question 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First question है, between which two rulers did the first battle of Panipat take place? What was the outcome? The answer is the first battle of Panipat took place between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur in 1526 CE. Lodi was defeated, whereby the Sultanate age came to an end and the Mughal rule was established. Question 5 का second point है, second question, between which two rulers did the battle of Kanwa take place? What was the outcome? The answer, battle of Kanwa took place between Babur and Rana Sangh in 1526 CE. 1527 CE Rana Sangh was defeated. Question 5 का third question है, against whom Humayun had to struggle a lot? The answer is Humayun had to struggle a lot against his brother Kamran and the Afghan. Question 5 का fourth question है, between which two ruler did the battle of Panipat take place? What was the outcome? The answer is the battle of Panipat took place between Akbar and Hemu under the guidance of Bairam Khan, and Akbar defeated Hemu. Question 5 का 5 question है, who ascended the throne of after Akbar? The answer is Prince Salim adopted the name Jahangir and ascended the throne after Akbar. Question 5 का 6 question है, why did Akbar maintain good relations with the Rajput rulers and win their confidence? The answer is Akbar maintained good relation with the Rajput rulers and won their confidence because he knew that he would not he would not be able to rule in India if he ignored the Rajput rulers. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 7 है, what was the Mughal tradition of inheritance? The answer is, under the Mughal tradition of inheritance all sons got equal share of empire. क्वेश्चन 5 का 8 क्वेश्चन है, which taxes were not levied by Akbar's? The answer is, during his reign Akbar's did not levy pilgrim tax. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 9 है, which books were written by Abul Fazl? The answer is, Abul Fazl had written 2 books named Anik-Bari and Akbarnama. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 10 है, what was the Shershah's method of collection of revenue? The answer is, with the help of Todarmal, Shershah had prepared a table for collection of revenue. It was based on the type of land and production. The answer is, Abul Fazl had written 2 books named Anik-Bari and Akbarnama. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 10 है, what was the Shershah's method of collection of revenue? The answer is, with the help of Todarmal, Shershah had prepared a table for collection of revenue. It was based on the type of land and production. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 11 है, name the famous road constructed by Shershah. The answer is, Shershah had constructed road between first Agra and Burhanpur, second Agra and Marwar and Lahore, and third Lahore and Multan. क्वेश्चन 5 का 12 है, which Rajput rulers did not accept the Mughal supremacy? The answer is, Sisodia Rajput ruler of Mewar did not accept the Mughal supremacy. Page number 42, 13 question, which ruler of Mewar did not accept Akbar's supremacy? The answer is, Sisodia Rajput of Mewar did not accept Akbar's supremacy. 5 का 14 क्वेश्चन है, which was the landmark battle between Mewar and Delhi? The answer is, Battle of Haldighati was the landmark battle between Mewar and Delhi. क्वेश्चन 5 का 15 क्वेश्चन है, between which 2 ruler did the Battle of Haldighati take place? What was the outcome? The answer is, the Battle of Haldighati took place between Maharana Pratap and Akbar. Maharana Pratap was defeated by Akbar. क्वेश्चन 5 का 16 क्वेश्चन है, what were the distinct qualities of Rana Pratap's horse Chetak? The answer is, Maharana Pratap's horse Chetak was trained by the minister. He moved in the battlefield according to the command of Rana Pratap. Chetak attained martyrdom in the Battle of Haldighati. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 17 है, with whose help did Rana Pratap form the army? The answer is, Rana Pratap formed the army with the financial help of his old advisor and the Jain trader Badshah. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 18 है, what was the vow taken by Rana Pratap? The answer is, after winning back all forts except Chittor, Rana Pratap vowed that till I get back Chittor, I will not sleep peacefully. Page number 43, question 6, answer the following question briefly. First question, why was Maharana Pratap defeated in the Battle of Haldighati, or Maharana Pratap was defeated in the Battle of Haldighati? The answer is, Maharana Pratap was defeated in the Battle of Haldighati because first Akbar had a well-equipped, huge army with modern weapons, sufficient number of cannon and artillery. Second, against the lack of Mughal soldier, Maharana Pratap had a small army of 20 to 22,000 soldiers. Question 2, क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 2 है, महाराणा प्रताप इज नोन फॉर हिज steadfast determination. The answer is Maharana Pratap refused to accept the Mughal supremacy. He fought continuously against Akbar. Finally, Akbar sent a huge army under leadership of Raja Mansingh, who defeated him in the Battle of Haldighati. Maharana lost the territory around Mewar. He suffered many hardships. But did not give up his resolution to fight for freedom of Mewar. With the financial help given by his old advisor and Jain trader Bamshah, he again formed a new army. He defeated the Mughals and recaptured all forts except Chittor. He vowed that till I get back Chittor, I will not sleep peacefully. He kept this vow till the end of his life. Thus, Maharana Pratap is known for his steadfast determination. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 3 है, अकबर इज नोन एज सक्सेसफुल रूलर. The answer is Akbar expanded the Mughal army by many successful campaigns. He divided his empire into 15 sections. He was an able ruler as well as a benevolent king. He provided irrigation facility to increase agriculture production. He abolished the pilgrim tax. He had given freedom of religion to his people. He had established friendly relation with the Rajput rulers. He had appointed many capable Hindus in high positions. In his administration, he organized religious meeting on every day with the scholar of different religion. This meeting took place in the prayer hall at Fatehpur Sikri. His royal court was adorned by 9 gems who were learned people. Akbar was a capable administrator, social reformer, benevolent and successful ruler. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 4 है, शेरशाह is known as a reformer. The answer is Shersha Suri was an Afghan Sardar. He defeated the Mughal Emperor Humayun twice and captured Delhi. During 5 years of his reign, Sher Shah introduced the following reform. In first point, he prepared a table for revenue collection based on the type of land and production with the help of Todarmal. Second, he removed toll booths and abolished octroi to ensure smooth transportation of goods. Third point, he constructed 3 highways between Agra and Burhanpur, Agra and Marwar and Lahore and Multan to facilitate the development of commerce. He constructed rest houses on the highway and planted trees for the convenience of traveler. Fourth point, he set up mint house to mint silver coin uniform in weight. Fifth, he ordered his army not to harass the villagers and destroy crop while marching. 6 point, he appointed local police officers to arrest criminals. Therefore, Shersha is known as a reformer. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.